Hi guys, so today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button with GloryBoundGecko. So yeah, let's get started. I pressed the button! Oh no, I'm gonna fall into the noob. The noob's trying to eat me. The noob is trying to eat me. I repeat, the noob is trying to eat me. Where are you?
I have no idea where I am right now. I don't see anything happening.
But you're supposed
Shouldn't I be able to
say your screen.
Shouldn't I be able to see myself? Oh, there I am.
You're acting as if ooh. Okay. What I was going to say is that you're acting as if ooh. Okay, I keep dying, but you're acting as if you are just as if it's only my screen.
No, I'm right here. Look, I'm dancing with you.
Yeah. That's not me.
Oh wow, there's two of you.
No!
I'm out of here.
Okay, I'm going to press the button.
What will happen?
I don't know.
I'm gonna push it.
No, I will.
How do I push it?
Okay.
Oh, I did it.
Oh, he just pushed it.
Potion.
Oh, I'm gonna drink it.
How do you do that?
I don't know.
Okay,
I'm gonna drink it.
Drink it.
I'm trying.
I dare. Oh!
Ah!
Look at your little peanut head.
What just happened to me? I'm enormous. And you didn't drink it in time, so it disappeared.
I'm still fine.
Okay.
I'm collecting coins.
I'm super tall, and that's kind of annoying.
I'm in this for the money.
I just got a badge.
Here we go. Ready? Find the
Oh.
red button. Oh, in the dark. Oh, I'm good at this one.
Yeah, I remember doing this before. I found it and it turned yellow, but it
How can you see anything with your tiny head?
I can see things. I'm third person. Okay, not that one. Maybe this. Maybe this one? Nope. Maybe this one.
I found the right one.
Did you? Okay, I'll press the button.
Avoid being
Okay,
hit by...
avoid being hit by the lasers.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, you're not. It still shows on the screen. Okay, you died.
Lasers scare me.
Well, you died, so you don't have to worry about that anymore.
Oh,
You're dead. You're probably in heaven or something.
it's kind of peaceful.
Yay. Okay, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Oh no, I died.
Dun, dun, dun.
Hey, you don't do the singing. It's just the singing I added in the background. Creepy singing. Okay. I'm waiting for the... Oh, I'll click the button when it turns green. I clicked the button. Oh no, I need to escape. How do I do that?
I'm dead.
Oh, I died. Oh, I think I had to turn it so that it was from the front perspective so I could see the outside and click the green button to open it. But I didn't do that. So yeah, annoying. Okay. Oh, I know this one. Okay, I can't fall.
I'm dead.
Oh, I'm about to fall. Yeah, I'm about
I'm
to
not
fall.
dead. I'm alive.
Ah! You're dead! Okay, well, he's dead. Alright, now it's only me remaining. Oh, I'm trying to survive, but it's kind of pushing me off. And I don't know what I was thinking when I was... Oh.
Deado.
Okay. No deados allowed. Okay.
Watch out.
Okay, don't die.
Watch out.
No. Well, yeah, we are watching.
Watch out. Ah,
Yeah, we're watching out for the meteors.
death from above. Oh, what happened?
Okay.
Watch out.
Okay, the meteor crashing happened again.
Look out. Ouch.
Why do you
Oh,
talk in that
dead.
strange voice always?
What voice?
That voice where you're... What's up?
Okay.
Okay, I'll click the button.
Watch out.
Oh no, he clicked the button. Oh, I know.
It's peaceful down there.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, wait a minute. We're both dead. That's annoying. Well, okay. I guess we'll just wait it out. Okay. Oh, a coin. Oh, I see a statue of you. It says you're the button presser. Oh,
Yeah.
well, we're dead, so we don't get to choose the right path.
Is this heaven?
Maybe. This is kind of like the main spot where we wait for all the people to finish. But it's just us! Oh no, we have to watch out for the meteor again. Why do you always say, watch out?
I'm just reading the words. Watch out!
You don't have to read it.
Watch out.
If we need a narrator, I'll be the narrator. Do not get flooded!
Alright, I hate getting flooded.
GloryBoundGecko. GloryBoundGecko, Maximus Noob. GloryBoundGecko, get
I
up
made it.
here!
I made it. I'm
No,
good.
you didn't! You're not all the way up!
Ah!
Okay, anyway, you just drowned. No reason why we should be doing that. Okay,
What do we do here?
I don't know.
I gotta jump on the right
I
color?
need to jump on the right color, which is this one.
Okay.
Alder. Wait, how did this not die?
I'm good.
No,
I know my
wait.
colors. Ah!
Okay.
I'm still crushing it.
But
As
why'd
per
you say?
usual.
But then why'd you say? Ah?
That was your voice.
That wasn't my voice. That was you. Was you? Oh, there you are.
I died.
Well, the round's almost over. Oh, wait,
Okay.
round's over. Need to wait for it to turn green. It's green. Okay. Oh, we need to not get crushed. Okay, jump through the holes. Jump through the holes.
I got crushed.
I'm telling you. I got crushed. Okay. I'm collecting coins. I have only 52 coins. I was hoping for 1,000. Maybe I'll get that in the future on April 3rd,
Open one hand.
2023.
Open one hand, poop in the other. See which one fills up first.
Okay. Oh, I just pooped in my other hand.
Oh, it's full.
Oh, okay. Then I guess I'm gonna realize that. Well, I guess I'm gonna get up to 1,000 on April 3rd.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. Okay, I know this one. You need to avoid falling into the acid or the lava or whatever that is.
Pee.
Just don't touch the orange, okay?
It's dehydrated urine.
It's not dehydrated urine.
Well, I don't think whoever's pee is that is drinking enough water.
It's not anyone's pee. It's probably acid or lava.
I think it's God's pee.
Seriously?
I'm good at this one.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's
Okay.
longer than you, I bet.
If you say so. Oh, we both survived.
Yeah, buddy. Pee board complete.
Opposite. Okay. Oh, look, the button. It's green. Click. Hey, you don't say it. I say it. I'm the one who clicked it.
Ooh, pretty stairs.
They're disappearing when you step on them. You're making me die, probably. You're ahead of me.
Ooh,
What is wrong with you? You just jumped ahead of me, so now I just fell down.
I'm winning. I'm the wiener.
Yes, you are the wiener. Okay, I'm climbing up. Yes, I got up.
Go again.
Yes, I'm going again. Oh, it just disappeared.
Hello.
I guess the round's over. Oh wait, there's a lucky block. Yay. Huh? What is that? Huh, weird. Just always run away whenever there's a lucky block because a white cube could fall on your head and kill you.
That doesn't sound lucky.
Yeah, it's not lucky.
Okay. So you
It's
gotta
like
stop on the right
chance.
color, right? Or you gotta
Yes.
get to the right color?
No.
Royal purple.
Yeah, I accidentally went on.
Orange.
I accidentally went on pink. Seriously?
Toothpaste.
I keep going on pink. Yeah, toothpaste is that glowy one that is light blue.
Hot pink.
Okay, hot pink, hot pink.
That's your favorite color, right? Earthy green.
Earth green, okay. Yes.
I'm good at colors.
Okay, really blue. The actual blue, not the toothpaste. Okay, lime green.
Ooh.
Okay. You're still down there?
I'm fine.
Okay. I need to get on blue, purple.
You need to learn your colors.
Oh, it just disappeared. Yay. Okay.
Do not fall off the platforms.
Okay, get on the line, green! Get on the line!
I'm dead.
Yeah. Okay. Cheer me on.
You can do it.
Not like that. Okay, never mind.
You can do it.
I wonder if the round next will be murder time.
What's murder time?
I don't know. We'll see.
Sounds dangerous.
I don't know. If my senses are correct, you'll have to give me $100.
I don't have $100.
Who will become the murderer? The murderer is me. I'm
Whoa.
the murderer.
Don't murder me.
I will kill you.
That sounds fatal. Don't. Don't. Don't murder.
Hey!
No, you can't catch me. I'm as
Yes,
quick
I
as can
can.
be. I've never been murdered before. I've read about it.
Okay. Let me guess. You're gonna call for the button.
No.
And say that I'm trying to kill
No,
you.
no. I'll just
Not?
outrun you.
Okay, if you say so.
See?
I will kill. Oh, my sword disappeared. Okay, the disappearing staircase. I think I can do this.
I think I'm just going to stay down here.
Okay, you have 70 coins, I have 80 coins, but we both survived 25 rounds. Okay, I'm trying to get up. It's kind of a really tall staircase, like at least 200 stairs.
Stairway to nowhere.
Yeah, probably. They disappeared. I didn't get to the top.
Smack.
Okay, we can't fall.
No problem.
Okay, did you just die?
I think so.
No, you didn't. Okay. Okay, you are dead.
I died.
Yes, you're dead. You've been dead for a while.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, collect those thingies.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it just made my head tiny.
Collecting.
Oh, my head just got enormous. And you just grew tiny, I think.
Still not as big as your real life head. Oh, collect the fruit.
Yep.
I love fruit.
And that was a bad comment if you were even trying to comment me.
What?
When you were talking about my enormous head in real life.
Ah, yes.
Okay. I will get more fruits then. And you're still tiny.
I'm normal.
Okay, if you say so, you look kind of skinny.
Thank you. So much fruit.
Huh, why did that thing come up at me? I have 0 Robux. I don't want to pay any money. Oh, I got first place. I got second.
Oh, congratulations.
Oh, watch out, watch out!
What is that?
I'm trying to...
Oh, what happened? What was that?
I don't know. Oh, collect the fruits again. Okay.
Hey, the coconut.
Okay. I'm collecting the fruit.
So much fruit.
I wonder where you are.
I'm over here
Oh,
collecting
you're
fruit.
there.
Peach. Apple. Snapple.
How do you know what
Grapple.
How do you
Baffle.
know what I'm getting?
That's what I'm getting.
Grapple is not a thing.
That's what I'm getting. A coconut. A watermelon. Orange.
Okay. I won with 44. You got second place with 33. I got 11 more than you. Okay, I'll click the button this time.
All right. Click clap.
Haha. Okay, I need to find the real button.
In the dark. Boo!
Hey!
I'm gonna find it.
No, you aren't.
Yes, I am.
No, you aren't.
If I find it first, you have to tell me how cool I am.
Okay. Maybe this one? Nope. This one? No. It was that one.
Choose the right path.
Okay, so this
dead.
one. I respawned.
How?
I don't know. But I need to copy the path that the other thing shown a minute ago.
Oh.
Okay, so I go this way, and then this way. No, not that way. Okay, maybe I go right. No, that was left. My mistake. Okay, right is definitely correct. Oh, I didn't do it in time. Okay, need to do the speed run thing. I'm running. I will not die.
I'm dead.
Seriously? How?
Too fast for me.
Okay, well when I click that, I run super fast. Like when I go past that line. I won.
Winner, winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Hello.
I'm still super fast because I didn't die.
Oh, you get to keep your speed?
Yes, if I don't die. But you didn't get to keep it because you died. Oh no, I need to get to the middle. What am I doing? Okay, I'll click it.
Clickety clack.
Okay. It's lightning!
Oh no, I hate lightning.
Yeah. But maybe I'll kill you if it's like okay.
What is
Says
that?
something. The letters are too big. Okay. Oh,
Speed run. I'm dead.
You're not dead.
It's too fast.
Oh, and now you're probably dead.
Oh yeah.
Are you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Then I was correct, I guess.
I think I'm just gonna stay here in death.
Okay.
In the warm cradle of death.
Okay, that's strange.
Oh, now I'm back.
Okay. Well,
Let's call it
bye
a night.
guys. Yeah.
Call it a night.
Call it a night.
All
Okay.
right.